Hello, in front of me I've got Mercedes B180. In this video I'll tell you things you should know before buying this car. Let's start with the thing that this car is not a true minivan. It's practical, but doesn't offer sliding doors or third row seating. Maintenance is premium priced. Even basic services can be more expensive than competitors. Navigation might require subscription. The base model may need optional packages for full features. Check for warranty extensions. Electronics can fail after the standard 2-year warranty. On the plus side, it's well built, has great resale value, and it's ideal for urban and suburban use. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.